Hello, everyone, and welcome back, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you. A little sleepy today. And you? How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Sleepy, huh? Yes, the weather is a little gray today.
It is. It looks like rain, and that is our topic for today. We're going to talk about rainy days.
Ah, rainy days. I love that topic. It's very cozy. But first, a little message for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you like our channel, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. Your support is amazing. So, Emily, rainy days. Do you like the rain?
Hmm, that's a good question. I think yes, I do like the rain, but only when I'm at home.
Yes, I understand. When you are warm and dry inside.
Exactly. I love to be at home on a rainy day. It feels so calm.
Calm is a good word. I feel calm too. The sound of the rain is very nice.
Oh, yes, I love the sound of the rain on the window.
Pitter patter, pitter patter. It's like music.
It is. It's nature's music. So, you like rainy days too?
I do. I really do. I think they're beautiful. The world looks so fresh and clean after the rain.
That's true. The trees are so green. The flowers look happy.
Yes, happy flowers. And the air smells so good.
Oh, I love that smell. The smell of rain. It's very earthy.
Yes, earthy. That's a perfect word. So, what's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day at home?
My favorite thing? Hmm, I think it's reading a book.
Oh, nice! What kind of book do you like to read when it rains?
I like a good story, a happy story, or maybe a little mystery. Nothing too sad.
A mystery sounds fun for a rainy day. It adds to the cozy feeling.
It does. I make a cup of tea, sit on my sofa with a warm blanket, and read my book.
That sounds perfect. A cup of tea, a blanket, and a book. What about you, Paul? What's your perfect rainy day? For me, it's very similar, but instead of a book, I like to watch a movie.
Ah, a movie day. That's a great idea, too.
Yes, I love to watch old movies. Black and white ones, maybe.
Oh, how classic. I like that. Do you have a favorite rainy day movie?
That's a hard question. Maybe a funny movie. A comedy. I like to laugh when it's gray outside.
That's a wonderful idea. Laughter makes everything bright. It does. So, a funny movie, and I need snacks. Oh, snacks are very important. What kind of snacks?
Popcorn, of course. You need popcorn for a movie.
Yes, hot, buttery popcorn.
Now I want popcorn.
Me too. So, popcorn is a must, and maybe some cookies.
Cookies are always a good idea. Rain or no rain?
That's very true. Do you bake cookies on a rainy day?
Sometimes. I like to bake. The house smells so good when you bake cookies.
It really does. The smell of chocolate chip cookies and the smell of rain. Wow.
Wow, yes. That is a perfect combination. What about drinks? I said I like tea. What do you drink on a cold, rainy day?
I love hot chocolate.
Oh, me too. Hot chocolate is the best. With marshmallows?
Of course, with marshmallows. The little white fluffy ones.
Yes, the best part. They melt a little in the hot chocolate.
It's so delicious. It makes me feel like a kid again.
Yes, exactly. It's a very happy drink. Do you have a favorite memory of a rainy day from when you were a child?
A rainy day memory. Hmm. Yes, I do. I remember being at my grandmother's house.
Oh, that sounds sweet.
It was. It was raining a lot, and the power went out. It was dark.
Oh, no power. Was it scary?
A little at first, but my grandmother lit some candles. The house was very quiet, just the sound of the rain and the light from the candles.
That sounds magical.
It was. And we sat, and she told me stories. Stories about her life, about our family.
Wow. What a special memory. No TV, no lights, just stories.
Yes, I'll never forget that day. It was so simple and so beautiful. What about you, Paul? Do you have a special memory?
I do. It's not as quiet as your memory, though.